Ever wondered how your gadget's circuit boards are born? Gone are the days of manual soldering. Irons modern. SMT assembly is a high-precision robot show. Surface mount technology uses flat, assembled components instead of bulky through-hole parts, which is why our phones, wearables, and routers get smaller, faster, and more affordable. First, solder paste is printed via laser-cut stencil onto PCB pads. Next, high-speed robots place tiny parts 10,000 plus per hour with micron-level accuracy. Then a reflow oven melts the paste to form strong joints. Finally, OE and X-ray check for defects, plus functional tests to ensure it works. Machines aren't evering thin gingerous tweak oven profiles. QC teams verify quality, and component experts program precise data turning equipment into reliable processes. When choosing a partner, look for local supply chains like Kaboer in Shenzhen. DFMs support high first-pass yield and quick problem-solving. SMT is the backbone of modern electronics. Partner with Kaboer for professional quality assembly. Our engineering extension